3, 2, 1, and action!
I'll give you a scenario class. Kunwari, may kliyente. Si Mrs. Owens. Mrs. Owens discovers that this child who passed away actually has daughter whom Mrs. Owens never met. May karapatan ba o habol ang apo niya sa mga ali-alian niya? Miss Mercado. Nico.
I'm sorry, I wasn't paying attention.
Then, get out!
Excuse me.